The front brakes on my YZ125 are kind of squishy, so I'm going to bleed them today by myself and try and show you my strategy to get this done. I have these rock straps, what they're called. They're part elastic, part adjustable band, I guess. And the plan is to pull the brake lever back, wrap the strap around it, then go down, open the bleed screw, tighten the bleed screw, let all the air out, and we'll see how well that works. So I pumped the brake lever a few times, and then I wrapped the rock strap around it, and then through the other end on the side of the grip, and it's holding it back probably, I don't know, 95% of the way. So we'll see if opening the bleed screw will do anything. Light's not very good. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. Oh, that worked. One little bubble, and then pretty much all fluid after that. Which, of course, because I'm working one-handed and by myself, is on the floor now. So I got the strap taken back off, and of course you won't be able to tell, but we've been through it a few times, and I think definitely feels a little stiffer. Try and go ride later and see how it feels.